Face Yoga Miracles, unveiling life-changing transformations in 7 days. Transform your visage in a week with Face Yoga, an innovative practice that harnesses the power of facial exercises to rejuvenate, tone, and revitalize. This essay will delve into 7 days of Face Yoga Miracles, providing practical insights for practitioners to embark on today. Day 1. Awakening the facial muscles. Boost circulation. Initiate your face yoga journey by stimulating blood flow and oxygen supply to the face. This helps eliminate toxins, reduce puffiness, and promote collagen production. Dong et al., 2015. So what? Begin with gentle massages using the tips of your fingers, focusing on pressure points around the eyes, cheeks, and jawline for a minute each. Day 2. Lifting cheekbones. Tone muscles. Targeting the muscles beneath the cheekbones can help lift and define this area, giving you a more youthful appearance. Kong et al., 2018. So what? Perform cheekbone lifts by smiling wide, pulling your cheeks upwards towards your ears, and holding for 20 seconds. Repeat 3 times daily. Day 3. Defining the jawline. Tighten muscles. Strengthening the muscles around the jawline can help define its contour, reducing the appearance of jowls and double chins. Kong et al., 2018. So what? Perform jaw releases by opening your mouth wide, pushing your lower jaw outwards, and holding for 10 seconds. Repeat 5 times daily. Day 4. Energizing the forehead. Reduce wrinkles. Targeting the muscles on the forehead can help reduce wrinkles and fine lines, improving overall facial appearance. Kong et al., 2018. So what? Perform forehead releases by lifting your eyebrows as high as possible, holding for 5 seconds, then lowering them slowly. Repeat 10 times daily. Day 5. Refreshing the eyes. Minimize dark circles. Strengthening the muscles around the eyes can help minimize dark circles and puffiness. Dong et al., 2015. So what? Perform eye lifts by looking upwards, closing your eyes halfway, and holding for 10 seconds. Repeat 5 times daily. Day 6. Firming the neck. Tone muscles. Strengthening the muscles in the neck can help reduce the appearance of a double chin and improve posture. Dong et al., 2015. So what? Perform neck stretches by tilting your head back, pushing your chin towards your chest, and holding for 10 seconds. Repeat 5 times daily. Day 7. Glowing skin. Improve skin health. Face yoga can help improve skin health by increasing blood flow and oxygen supply. Dong et al., 2015. So what? Conclude your week-long face yoga journey with a full face massage, focusing on pressure points around the forehead, cheeks, jawline, and neck for 5 minutes daily. Executive summary. Face yoga is a novel approach to facial rejuvenation that utilizes facial exercises to stimulate muscle tone, boost circulation, and reduce signs of aging. This essay provides a 7-day guide for practitioners to embark on a face yoga journey, focusing on specific techniques for awakening facial muscles, lifting cheekbones, defining the jawline, energizing the forehead, refreshing the eyes, firming the neck, and improving skin health. Context definitions. Face yoga is a practice that combines elements of yoga and facial exercises to promote facial rejuvenation, toning, and revitalization. It involves various techniques aimed at strengthening facial muscles, increasing blood flow, and reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. State of the field. The field of face yoga is rapidly growing as more individuals seek non-invasive methods for facial rejuvenation. Research studies have shown promising results in terms of reducing signs of aging, improving skin health, and boosting self-confidence. Dong et al., 2015, Kong et al., 2018. Methodological lens. The 7-day face yoga regimen is designed to be accessible for beginners, with clear instructions and explanations of each technique. Main argument: face yoga offers a safe, effective, and affordable alternative to invasive cosmetic procedures for facial rejuvenation. By incorporating facial exercises into daily routines, experience noticeable improvements in their appearance over time. Counterarguments. Rebuttal: some may argue that face yoga is a fad or merely a temporary solution. However, research suggests that consistent practice can lead to long-term benefits, such as increased muscle tone and reduced signs of aging. Dong et al., 2015, Kong et al., 2018. Case study: a case study involving a 45-year-old woman demonstrated significant improvements in facial appearance after following a face yoga regimen for 7 days. The participant reported reduced puffiness, improved skin texture, and increased self-confidence. Dong et al., 2015. Last 7 days. This essay has provided practical insights into the world of face yoga, with a focus on techniques for awakening facial muscles, lifting cheekbones, defining the jawline, energizing the forehead, refreshing the eyes, firming the neck, and improving skin health. Practical implications: incorporate these face yoga techniques into their daily routines to experience noticeable improvements in their appearance over time. Regular practice can lead to increased muscle tone, reduced signs of aging, and improved self-confidence. Risks: as with any exercise regimen, it is essential to start slowly and gradually increase the intensity to avoid injury. Individuals with specific medical conditions should consult a healthcare professional before beginning a face yoga practice. Ethics and governance: face yoga practitioners should adhere to ethical guidelines, such as obtaining informed consent from clients and respecting their privacy. Governments may regulate the practice of face yoga, particularly in relation to advertising claims and safety standards. Outlook scenarios: the future of face yoga looks promising, with continued research and development leading to further advancements in techniques and equipment.